The power of positive thinking. Our thoughts have a powerful impact on our emotions and actions. Have you ever heard the phrase, think positive? It's a popular saying that emphasizes the importance of having a positive mindset. But have you ever wondered why it's so important? In this video, we'll explore the power of positive thinking and how it can impact our emotions and actions. Our thoughts have a powerful impact on our emotions and actions. When we think positively, we tend to feel happier, more motivated, and more confident. This, in turn, can lead to positive actions such as taking on new challenges, pursuing our goals, and building stronger relationships. On the other hand, negative thinking can have the opposite effect. When we focus on negative thoughts, we tend to feel more anxious, stressed, and discouraged. This can lead to negative actions such as avoidance, procrastination, and damaging relationships. So, how do we cultivate a positive mindset? One way is to practice gratitude. Focusing on what we're thankful for can help shift our focus from negative thoughts to positive ones. Another way is to reframe negative thoughts into positive ones. For example, instead of thinking, "Can't do this," we can reframe it to, "Haven't figured it out yet, but I will." In conclusion, our thoughts have a powerful impact on our emotions and actions. By cultivating a positive mindset, we can increase our happiness, motivation, and confidence. So, make an effort to think positively and see how it can transform our lives. Remember, positive thinking leads to positive outcomes.